Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concept of dot product. So as per the problem, the vectors x and y are such that the inverse of cos of 4 over 21 is equal to theta, where theta is the angle between x and y. Determine the values of p. So we are given vectors x and y, and theta is the angle between the vectors. So that tells us that we have to use the dot product equation to solve this problem. So we can start by writing the dot product equation. We are given that the inverse of cos for 4 over 21 is equal to theta. So we can move the cos to the right side of this equation to find cos theta. Cos theta is equal to 4 over 21. Next, we should find the magnitudes of vectors x and y. So we'll square the components of vector x, add the squares and apply square root to the sum. The negative 4 square is 16. Sixteen plus 4 is equal to 20. So this is the magnitude of vector x. Now we can find the magnitude of vector y. The magnitude of vector y is equal to 7. Now we can sub in the given vectors and these magnitudes in the dot product equation. Now we can do the dot product on the left side. So we have to multiply the x and the y and the z components. Now we know cos theta is equal to 4 over 21. On the left side, negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. P times 3 is 3p. Negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. And on the right side, we can multiply 7 by 4 over 21. So we get 28 over 21. On the left side, now we can combine the like terms 8 and negative 12. And 28 over 21 can be reduced to 4 over 3. Now in the next step, we can cross multiply the 3 to the left side of the equation. So we get now we have to solve for p, and on the right side p is under the square root, so we can get rid of the square root by squaring both sides. So on the left side 3 square is 9, and on the right side the square root and the square cancel each other out, and 4 square is 16. Now on the left side we can distribute the square on the parentheses by writing the expression twice and distributing the terms using the FOIL method. On the right side we can distribute 16 into the parentheses. Now we can use the FOIL method on the left side. Now we can combine like terms in the parentheses. Next we can distribute the 9 into the parentheses. Nine times 16 is equal to 144. Now we can make this equation equal to 0 by subtracting 320 and 16p squared from both sides. So on the left side we have to do 81 minus 16, which is equal to 65. And then we have to do 144 minus 320, which is equal to negative 176. So this is a quadratic equation we have to solve. We can use quadratic formula to solve this equation because it won't be easy to factor this equation. So we can start by writing the quadratic formula. So I'll start on this left side here. So the A value is 65, B is negative 216, and C is negative 176. Now we can simplify this expression. So minus negative 216 is positive 216. Now under the square root, negative 216 squared, and then minus 4 times 65 times negative 176 is equal to 92416 over 130. The square root of 92416 is equal to 304. So we get two cases. The positive case is and from this positive case, so we get 216 plus 304, which is equal to 520. Which is equal to 4. So that's the first possible value for P. Now we can analyze the second case. The 216 minus 304 is equal to negative 88. Now this fraction can be reduced to negative 44 over 65. So this should be the second value of P. So there are two values of P for this problem. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.